Mixology for our Drink With Us segment, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a drink I am calling Bringin' Home the Bourbon. So, for this drink, unlike others, we're going to start with the garnish first. So, take some dark chocolate, put it in a microwave-safe bowl, and throw that in the microwave for 30-second intervals, stirring in between just until it's completely melted, silky, smooth. Next, take a rocks glass, turn it upside down, and dip the rim in the chocolate. I like to give it a little twist and then pull up just to get a more even line around it. And we're gonna add some salt to that as well. So turn the glass to the side, either sprinkle some salt with the other hand just over the chocolate, or if you have a partner, have them grind a little sea salt as you're turning the glass. Throw that in the freezer for, I'd say about a couple minutes just to harden up the chocolate. A couple minutes, can be longer if you'd like. And afterwards, you should come out with a glass looking like this. Very nice, right? So I've already put my whiskey rock in here for the drink. So if you don't have whiskey rocks, just use one big ice cube. That should work. And now we're gonna actually make the drink. So first off, dash of Aztec chocolate bitters going in. There we go. And I am using today Ohm's dark chocolate and sea salt liqueur. I'm going to use 1 ounce of that. So fill that up all the way to the top. There we go. Bourbon base, feel free to use any bourbon of your choosing. I'm going to do 2 ounces of that. And to give it a smoky, bacony flavor, I'm going to be using Hickory Liquid Smoke. So this cocktail is going to come out and taste like rich, decadent chocolate-covered bacon. I love it. I've always loved chocolate-covered bacon. So with this, we're going to do 3 large dashes. Okay. Add some ice into that, and give that a stir. Stir for about 30 seconds until all of the flavors are incorporated. Okay. And then I'm just going to strain this right into our pre-made glass with the cube. Oh yeah, there we go. Awesome. Now you have your Bringin' Home the Bacon cocktail. I love this one because as you drink, the chocolate melts and gives it more of a chocolatey flavor. And like I said before, it tastes like bacon, and who doesn't love that? Oh yeah. Cheers, guys. Please follow Organic Mixology, subscribe below, and go to organicmixology.com to purchase Ohm dark chocolate and sea salt and all of our other flavors. Enjoy, guys.